Topic 17, Lesson 3, Lengths of horizontal and vertical line segments. Well, so far you've learned that ordered pairs name locations on a coordinate grid and to draw shapes using points as vertices. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use ordered pairs to find lengths or distance. So our essential question is, how can you calculate the length of a horizontal or vertical line segment? Well, let's first of all talk about those two words, horizontal and vertical. I always like to think of like a horizon along when the sun is setting down, and right here going this way is horizontal. So that would be the term we can use. Always remember that way, horizontal horizon. And then we have this figure going up and down. This would make it vertical. So hopefully those will help you remember those terms, horizontal going across, vertical up and down. So let's say there were someone who was planning a miniature village, and they arranged the post office and the hospital and a school and a library and a bank all in this little miniature town. And each had their own spot. In fact, the post office is at 07, so that's right here. And the hospital is at 57, right here. And the school is at 31. And the library is at 36 up here. And then finally the last one, the bank, is at 51. So our question is, which building is farther away from the hospital, the bank, or the post office? So let's hear that again. Which building is farther away from the hospital? So if this is the hospital right here, which one's further away? Would we say it's the bank down here, or would we say it's the library or post office over here? So what we're going to do is take a little trip. We start off at the hospital and we go all the way down to the bank, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 units away. Now we can take a look and go from here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is 5 units away. So which one is further away? The bank. The bank is 6 units away, whereas the post office is only 5 units away. Now let's find the distance between ordered pairs a little different way. Maybe this will be easier. We'll try it. So the best thing to notice is they both have a 1 in the x place. So you don't need to worry about doing anything with those because they're on the same line. But they have a different y. This one is 6, this one is 9. And if I were to go from 6 all the way up to 9, that would be 3 units. I mean, you could easily do 9 minus 6 is 3. So that's another way of looking at it without having the whole grid and plotting out the points. Now let's try these. We're going to pause, and I want you to try and find the distance between these. Alright, let's take a look at our solutions. If we go back, the first one is 7, 1 and 7, 6, and if you notice, they both have a 7 in the x, so now we just have to worry about the y's, the 1 and 6. So again, if you go from 1 to 6, that would be 5 units. And again, if you want to do it another way, 6 minus 1, you get 5. Looking at the other one, you have 5, 8 as well as 9, 8, and in this case the y's are exactly the same, so you don't need to do anything about those. But we have a 5 and a 9, and if we go from 5 all the way up to 9, we're going to go 4 units. In other words, 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now, try some on your own. Good luck.